Hi, this is Anita. Today I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to make circles, and these are some of my more favorite ways and the easier ways. First, you go to your brushes, go to the airbrush and go to the hard brush. And there you will see, I have it all the way up and I have the opacity all the way up, and you can see that I can just simply touch and then makes a circle. And really, you have to be careful when you do this, because if you touch it on the side there, you can see it doesn't quite make a perfect circle as much, but you should really touch it going straight up and down, and that makes a better circle. And you can also see too that when you are doing this, when you do dots, it can be different sizes, different shapes, different things. So if you want it all to be the exact same size, you're gonna do a dot pattern or something like that, you'd be better off just taking one and just copying it. So another way that you can do it, the way that we actually do it all the time, is you can take a pen here, a calligraphy pen. You can use a monoline, but we a lot of times use pens and pencils on this. And what you do is you just draw a circle, make sure the ends are connected, snap, and then touch your finger. And you see, let me do it again so you can see that, because sometimes it's kind of a little difficult to do. It's called the quick shape technique here. So there it goes right there. See it, you can see the circle didn't quite go in, so you have to get it so it goes. You can see it snapping, and then touch your finger and then lift, and there's a perfect circle. Sometimes you have to work with the quick shape a little bit, because it may not be so if you hold it down too long, the circle doesn't go. So just be careful of that. We sometimes then will take the color and then we can fill it in, and there's a perfect circle too. I personally prefer the quick shape way. I feel like it gets a better circle than the other way, but this is what we use all the time to get a circle. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching.